Don't mind the hair, I haven't washed it yet. Okay, just a random little video because I found it pretty cool because I'm very bored. Having dinner, eat potatoes. Go to the store, grab some potatoes. So I'm standing in line to pay for the potatoes and I'm holding the bag and it kind of feels weird. What's wrong with this potato? No name, laterally imperfect. Potatoes. Freshness and quality in all shapes and sizes. Okay, nothing wrong with potatoes in different sizes. They're all gonna look the same anyway in my belly. But this potato's a little different. So, everybody looks normal. Everybody looks normal. That one kind of looks different. There's a lot of big potatoes. Seriously, big potatoes in this bag. Let's see. I think that's the biggest, I think. I usually get the... But look at this potato. Look at this potato. Look at it. Like, it's huge. Like, how many fries can you get out of that? It's as big as my head. Seriously, look at this thing. That's a pretty awesome potato. So yeah, I just want to point out the giant potato in the potato bag in all its giant potatoy glory. I lead a boring life, okay? What do you want from me? That's it. That's all I wanted to show you was this giant potato. Bye!